If your Discord voice chat is cutting out, cracking, or showing packet loss, this video is going to help you fix it fast. Packet loss can make your calls sound robotic, delayed, or completely broken. And the good news is that in many cases, you can solve it with a few simple changes on your device, your network, and inside Discord itself. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is optimize your local hardware and network connection. The most stable option is always Ethernet. If you are currently using Wi-Fi or a Wi-Fi dongle, that connection can easily be affected by interference from walls, devices, distance from the router, or even other wireless networks nearby. A direct wired connection gives you a much more stable path for your data, which can reduce packet loss right away. If you have an Ethernet cable available, plug it in and see if the issue improves immediately. Next, close anything that may be using up your internet in the background. Things like game downloads, cloud backups, streaming video, software updates, large uploads, or even another person on the same network watching high-resolution content can cause congestion. When your network is overloaded, Discord voice traffic can suffer. So take a moment to pause downloads, close unnecessary apps, and stop any heavy file transfers. The goal is to free up as much bandwidth as possible so Discord has a clean, stable connection. If you are still hearing packet loss after that, restart your router and modem. This is one of the simplest fixes, but it often works surprisingly well. Unplug both your modem and router, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. Give them a minute or two to fully reconnect before opening Discord again. A power cycle can clear temporary glitches, refresh your connection, and improve routing performance. Now let's move into Discord itself and adjust your voice settings. Open Discord and click the User Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner. From there, go to Voice and Video. Once you're in that section, look for Show Advanced Voice Settings and open it if needed. Scroll down until you find Quality of Service, also known as QoS. This setting can affect how Discord handles voice traffic on certain networks. Depending on your router and internet provider, QoS may either help or make things worse. That's why the best approach is to test it both ways. If it's currently turned on, try turning it off and then test a voice call. If it's already off, try turning it on instead. The key is to see which setting gives you the most stable connection on your specific setup. After changing it, rejoin a voice channel and listen for improvement. If you manage a Discord server, another helpful step is changing the server region. This can reduce latency and improve voice quality if the current region is too far away from you or your members. To do this, right-click the voice channel, choose Edit Channel, and then look for the Region Override option. Select a region that is geographically closer to you or to the people who use the channel most often. A closer region often means less delay and fewer connection issues during voice chat. After making these changes, test Discord voice again. Join a call, speak for a minute or two, and pay attention to whether the audio stays consistent. If packet loss is gone or noticeably reduced, then one of these fixes worked. If you are still having trouble, go back through the steps and try them one by one, because sometimes the issue is caused by a combination of Wi-Fi instability, network congestion, and Discord settings all at once. The main takeaway is this: start with your network, remove anything that is slowing it down, reboot your router, and then fine-tune Discord's voice settings. In most cases, that is enough to make a big difference in voice quality. And if you want more simple tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.